number 6, which is going to be coming out of door number 6, if you see that. So let's get this started. I'm open number 5 on day 10 because I mucked that up yesterday. Oh, it's wrapped in plastic. Oh, another keyring for me. It is some red character that I don't recognise. It looks a bit like a red version of the kiwi bird from the New Zealand story, and that is what I got. I'm gonna have a big set of keyrings by the end of this, I think. So I'll see you tomorrow for lucky number 7, which is another big door like number 10 was.